Hey there. Welcome back to Tech Traffic, your one-stop destination for all things technology. I'm VJ, and today we're going to discuss a common issue that many mobile phone users face: overheating. Have you ever wondered why your mobile device heats up? Well, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Before we explore the reasons behind mobile phone heating, it's important to understand that some degree of heat generation is normal during device usage. However, excessive heating can be a cause for concern. So here are the top factors that can lead to your mobile phone heating up. Number 1. Processor-intensive tasks. The processor in your phone is like the brain, handling all the calculations and running various apps. When you engage in processor-intensive tasks like gaming, video editing, or using resource-heavy apps, the processor works harder and generates more heat. Number 2. Poor ventilation and blocked air vents. Mobile phones are compact devices, and sometimes the design compromises airflow. If the phone's ventilation system is not well designed or the air vents are blocked, heat can build up inside the device, causing it to heat up. Number 3. Software issues and background processes. Sometimes, software-related issues can cause excessive heating. Background processes, such as apps running in the background or inefficiently coded software, can put a strain on your phone's resources, leading to increased heat production. Number 4. Overcharging or charging while using. Charging your phone while using it or overcharging it can lead to heating issues. When you charge your phone, it generates heat due to the flow of electricity. Simultaneously using the phone while charging puts additional strain on the battery and processor, causing it to heat up. Number 5. Environmental factors. Environmental conditions also play a role in your phone's temperature. Exposing your phone to direct sunlight or keeping it in a hot environment can raise its temperature significantly, causing overheating. That wraps up today's episode on mobile phone heating. Remember, if you notice your phone getting excessively hot, take the necessary steps to address the issue to avoid potential damage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching Tech Traffic.